Now let's go into the software and let's have a look at how it looks. So you can see this is how the software looks right now. This is basically a page where you need to bring in parts from the libraries, where you can see this is the normal easy EDA library. I use easy EDA to build the circuits. There are a lot of other softwares which you can use to build the circuits as well, but you can even include the parts with their model numbers from here, include them, build a schematics, check nets if everything is connected to everything. If not, you need to mention which connectors you need to mention which of them won't get connected through using into mark, which you can see over here. And then after that, once we do that, we press this option called convert to PCB, and it converts to PCB over here. After that, you need to arrange things the way you want them to be. I recommend always to keep anything related to microcontroller in the middle, relays in the further out, connectors in the further out, resistors all inside. The way you can solder them is solder the smallest to smallest components first, which will be our 80tiny 8520 20U, a SMT, a surface mount technology microcontroller, and then you can design holes the way you want, add text the way you want, add websites, add text of any preference, design them the way you want them. After that, you need to calculate the solder trace points. How much thicker do you want the solder trace points to be? If they are outside, or if they are in a multi-layer PCB, they need to be wider so that the heat dissipates faster. If they are outside if they are outside, there is a way which you need to calculate the area, the point A to point B length, the amount of voltage, the amount of current flowing through, if it is inside or outside. Well, there are websites to do that as well, but it's a simple formula, you can do them as well, and then you can input those values in the software. And after all that you have done that, you need to press the export Gerber file. Once you export the Gerber file, you need to you basically can't manufacture that on your own, because if you see the videos of how PCBs are manufactured, it's like a whole big process of how they take out the copper, add the insulation over it, add the solder, do the soldering, leveling, do full probe testing. The best way and the cheapest way to do that is to send it to a PCB manufacturing house. This video is not sponsored by JLC PCB. I had ordered this a month ago, but due to India and China relationships, there had been some custom problems. Then I got it cleared, and finally today, after a month, it has arrived. So that's how you make a PCB in 5 minutes, or how much ever long this video is. I don't know, I haven't edited this yet. Let me show you how this PCB looks when it's completely soldered. I don't have the microcontroller because I have only the through-hole technology one. I don't have the SMT one yet. Once that is done, I'll probably post a picture on my Instagram as well, so you can follow me on Instagram at prateek_techsavvy and prehistoric_polymath. There are Facebook links and Twitter links available here.
I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
How these PCBs are made, and I even showed you how the soldered version looks. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. With that said, make sure to share this video so that everyone knows what a PCB is and how to make them as well. Leave a comment down below what was your favorite part, and then I think that's all. With that said, stay hungry and stay foolish. See you in the next one.
I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you is where the room, yeah, got no ceiling.